Alright, out here at the pond, it just rained, so it's muddy. Go around here with a top water, see if we can get a top water blow up. If we don't do that, then I'll just throw something I know I can catch them on. But we're gonna go first cast. I think I know where I can catch one. Hopefully I don't cast it in a tree. Alright, let's see what we can get done. That didn't work. I thought we were doing that. I must guarantee you I can throw this worm in there and catch one. I'm gonna try one more top water. One cast with the worm. See what we can do. One cast. One cast. Got the wacky one. Oh, she's a little tore, but it'll work. See what we can do here. Should move on. That should be the cast. Oh yeah. A few more days it's gonna be. Few more days it's gonna be deer season. We're gonna be able to start up some deer hunting videos, but we had a turkey hunting video that we filmed all turkey season and couldn't kill one. Like, just could not do it.
We killed 2, but they weren't on camera. Yeah. That was like before we started filming, really.
So we're gonna try and start that back up next year. Just continue the video, a year-long video. But this deer season, we're 100% gonna kill a deer. Like, that's given. So we're gonna try and get that on film for y'all. But right now, it's just get a little bass fishing content. See what we can do here. Seems like we ain't gonna do much, so I'm gonna run around the pond with this top water real quick so we can get fired up, see if we can get a little top water action. And then yeah, we'll come back to you if we don't get nothing on this top water and throw this worm right here. I know that bank down there, 100% guaranteed bass on this worm right here, so that worm will catch one. But I'm gonna try and give y'all a little action right here on this little top water, so we'll see what we can do. Well, boy, I don't know how much more social I could have got with that, but this might be it right here. Right under this tree. Golly. I'm just gonna try and do this real fast. I don't have a lot of faith in this, but like, I know one might hit it, and I know that's gonna be a lot better content than like just me setting the hook on a fish and spit the worms. I actually got a little bit of commotion right here, a little splash in action right here. See what's happening. My little brother actually caught like a 3-pounder here on a wacky worm at the start of the summer. So under that tree up there. Maybe there's just too finicky to one. Usually get bit down here on this thing right here. So if it don't hit right here, you can go back, grab the worm, try and catch a few. It's actually raining right now, I can feel it, but
Good try.
Don't question me.
Oh.
Oh, it's hung up on something.
We about to have to go in the water. How deep is it right there?
It got off, bro. No, it didn't. It's still on there.
Should I try to grab it?
Oh, wait. Just let it swim. It might get itself out. No.
Oh.
We'll see if it'll just get itself out. I'm not losing a $15 bait. Oh, you could.
Here, hold the phone.
I can't even Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's switch off here. Like I said, no faith in it happening, but it happened. Oh look, don't even have a hook on that. Well, all right, turn the camera away. Got him.
Yes, sir.
Yep, monster. Big
Tank.
one. What's his name?
Gerald.
Trout.
That was a good hit, though.
That really was a good hit. Let's see if we got back to back.
Back to back.
I know this might not go back to back, but I know where some stay. It's like right here. Right in there. Alright, well, we're just gonna move our way back and grab the worm and pick it up and get on down through here and see what we can pick up. One good hit, one good hit. Alright, yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. I'm just kidding. By the way, we are in between church services right now. Just getting a little work in. Hunter's about to step in the ant pile.
Oh, shoot.
That little ball right there. See, that could have been a frog. Look, this is how you gotta keep your worm shot. Take the one you're gonna use the rest of them. They never know. They never know. They're like, this guy's gonna worm out of his pocket.
Oh my God.
Did you get that on film?
That was insane.
Did you get that on film?
Yeah, I did.
About right here. No shot. I never use this color worm, but when it's dark and muddy, you want to use like a black or a blue. So this worm's got a little bit of black in it. And red like a red worm. I don't even know what color that is, y'all. Think that's gas or what?
For sure.
I can find out. It's a matter of moments. Matter of moments. Any minute now. Be any minute now. Letting it go all the way to the bottom. Gonna give it one little 1, 2 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tough crowd. Tough crowd. Pro bass fisherman Carter McCollum here.
Having a tough day out on the water here. Score tracker update. One bass. Not so good. Gonna get back at it. I missed a monster. We can replay the clip. That thing.
8 pounds.
8
pounds.
At least. At least. So we're gonna try it right here. Y'all see a little skip action?
A little bit of skip action.
Oh, that was terrible. Not as clean as the first one.
That first one was beautiful.
Really starting to get agitated here. We don't have all the time in the world. I guess it's just too muddy. I honestly have no clue. Like, usually 4 or 5 done caught. This is the skippage I was talking
This is the one. Oh, yeah.
about. Oh. Oh. I never catch anything right. They have a minor problem here. Maybe I can get from behind it and pop it and they'll come right out. Moment of truth. Oh. Oh my god. Bro, this is a big one. Bro, this ain't no tree, this is a big one.
Oh yeah.
God dang it. Came off. I don't know if y'all are familiar with the term punching. So what that kind of fishing is, like you punch deep in stuff, or it's just like what it is. And if you know anything about it, you know, big worms, big jigs, like heavy bait, heavy line. So if you get bit, you know, you can just yank it out of there. Well, I got 8-pound line, kind of 10-pound braid. So that's gonna be interesting. One more cast right here. You wouldn't just do something like that? Something like that, no, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Don't even mess with it. I just tighten up the line, one on there, like that. Bruh, there was so a fish on there. It got me hung and stuff, bruh. Ain't no way. Like, that was 110% of fish. Maybe it's just me. Alright, I'm gonna try and skip it.
Oh my gosh.
Of course. Of course. Of course, man. Oh my god. The line's just going right. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There we go.
Oh yeah, by the way, we got like a new camera. It's really good. It's a lot better than this film is gonna be. But new camera's not on us right now, so using my phones. Alright, well, I have church up here in the mountains, and we just thought we might stop by the creek, see if there's some trout. I'd say there's some trout. All I got is a bass rod, a little tiny circle hook, and some Senkos. So I'm gonna try and cut up some Senkos and see. And plus my little brother's over there. I don't know what he's doing. And so we're gonna try and get active on some trout fish.
This is the hook we're working with.
I don't know if it's too big.
Should we try to find some worms? Oh no. We're not getting any views anymore.
What?
You just hit the gritty.
Come on, buddy, cast.
About to go over here.
Catch
This
some bass, huh?
Spot right here. This is off the uncharted path.
Yeah, nobody.
See if I can spot one. There's one right there. Oh. Hope he didn't see me. But I'm just gonna hope.
Because it's dark. No.
Got him. Oh, bro, what is this?
Oh my god.
What was you looking here?
That's
A green sunfish. Alright.
This is definitely a sunfish.
What y'all don't know about these is hate them. Like, I'm here to catch trout. So. Alright, y'all. Just got done fishing. I only caught one. I don't know, they were super finicky and it was really hard to catch them on this bass setup. But, yeah, we're about to go home, get some grub, hit the hay before school. Got this little guy. Gotta get him home. Gotta get him in bed. But yeah, we're gonna catch y'all back with a little turkey hunt video sometime in the making.
And deer hunting.
And deer hunting video. Deer hunting, definite. Turkey hunting, y'all gonna have to wait till turkey season. This guy wants to say something.
Like and subscribe.
Exactly.
Do it now. Or a big spider will crawl in your mouth. Good ending.
I'll see y'all deer hunting.